This video introduces the most important changes to the Windows software track of the day. Have fun! Many users of Garmin BaseCamp have actively participated in the development of version 5.11. Thanks a lot for that. The Garmin software BaseCamp can display tracks, routes and waypoints simultaneously within a list. Waypoints are often used in BaseCamp to symbolize POIs. It is also possible to display the names of waypoints as a small marker on the map in BaseCamp. With the new version, all this is also available in Track of the Day, but with a greatly expanded range of functions. Via the new context menu of the Action button for showing and hiding in front of POIs, the display of the POIs can now be changed. You can see how this works here. The new POI LiveView can also be accessed via the same context menu. The LiveView is a dynamic POI list that is linked to the current map section. The displayed POIs can be filtered easily, added to the map and removed again. The LiveView window can be docked to one of the corners of the screen or displayed on a separate display. Depending on the width of the window, new functions are available for retrieving more information, creating waypoints, and deleting POIs. There is also a preview for all POIs with images. How to retrieve further information about one of the listed POIs is shown here. Via the two symbols with the walking man, a route can be started at a POI or lead to a POI. A click on the pin needle symbol inserts a via point into the route of a POI, whereby the name of the POI is adopted. The POIs displayed in a map section can be filtered by name or POI category. all POI symbols are linked to the list elements. A POI selected in the list is highlighted on the map. A double-click within the list of POIs centers map at the respective POI. If a POI is marked in the map with the mouse, fingers, or a pen, it is also selected in the POI LiveView. If you have added one of several POIs into a route and the map contains some no longer needed further POIs, you can remove them the symbol with the scissors. With the white garbage, all POIs within the map section can be removed from the map. To delete POIs from the database, click on the red garbage can. These deletion operations can be reversed using the context menus of the delete buttons. The POI LiveView window also allows you to open the POI rangefinder directly. This allows to quickly find suitable POIs in the local database for the current map section. With the other symbols, the displayed POIs can be hidden or the display can be switched. Another innovation is the revision of the POI Super Search. This search is now extremely fast and provides even better search results. A transparent red circle now symbolizes the approximate search radius when doing single search around the map center. To increase the search radius, simply zoom out of the map. If you zoom in, the search radius is reduced. If you zoom in more, hits outside the search radius are also possible. The maximum search radius is about 100 kilometers. For destinations such as Corsica, you can find POIs from different categories with just a few clicks. The new POI LiveView was developed in order to keep control even with hundreds of POIs. Another change is the simplification of the context menu of the main map. Some less frequently used functions have been outsourced to submenus to improve clarity. In addition, the contrast and opacity of the menu have been increased, so that all menus are easier to read now. All questions about Track of the Day can be asked at any time via the contact form on our website. We would be happy if you would join us in the Track of the Day community on Facebook. You will find many experienced users and get a lot of interesting tips about how to use Track of the Day. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon and goodbye.